The village is one of the oldest democracies in the world, with all disputes being resolved here in the Malana court. It is forbidden to touch any of the buildings in Malana, and it is punishable with a fine of 1000 rupees. They use the money to buy a goat, which is sacrificed to Jamlu.
No touching photo of Jamnagar Rishi and 1000 rupees fine. Malana is the only one village in the world where they have the totally different rule, different language and different everything. So Malana is one village, but they divided it in two parts, upper part and lower part. So this is the center of the village, from here to upper part and from here to down lower part. So in the center of the Malana, they got their court, which is this platform. If any of two people of Malana, they got any problem, both of them they have to come here, on this place, where they have make the fire. There is the fireplace. And when they make the fire, that means they appeal to God, that they got some problems. So after that, one judge, 4 assistant judge and 4 policemen from Malana, they come and assemble here. That's called like a pujari, kormista and pogardar. And then after that, 4 of the policemen, 2 from upper part and 2 from lower part, they both have to go upper part and lower part to shout in the village that they has to come for the assembly. So if any two of any person of Malana, they got any problem, here they decide by the talking only, from the face reading. So if sometime it's a right judgment, it's okay. If no right judgment, then they are going to other court, which is in lower part, nearby 2 holy trees.
At the lower court, Chappu Bhaiya explains further.
So if both of the people have problem, each person they have to buy the lamb, both of them. Yeah. And then the right side of leg of the lamb, they just touch the skin of the lamb and put inside the natural poison called maura. Okay. And who is wrong, his lamb died first. Okay. So whose lamb is died first, he is wrong, and other is right. And this is really like we can say that it's true decision, right decision, that there is no any objection after that. Sure. And it happens here, like who is wrong, he is
so it's a final
decision.
Chappu Negi is well known in Malana, and it is through his reputation that we are being allowed to shoot this documentary. He has arranged for us to interview a Malani's friend of his.
Today we met one person from Malana called Nopuram. So we are going to ask him something about Malana. So is Nopuram here. So this is their local dress of Malana, like woolen jacket, woolen trouser and woolen hat. But nowadays they got different shoe. But they have also very special shoes. What they wearing in Malana for summer and winter, they are totally different. So that one we can see to the judge, to the pujari, that who really wearing the local dress of Malana. And their culture of Malana is totally different. So we will ask him about his culture, about Malana. This is यहाँ का जो देवता है, तो जमदग्नि ऋषि है ना, तो जमदग्नि ऋषि तो शांति चाहिए यहाँ पर। लेकिन जो ये रोड राड निकला है, तो इसका क्या है?
इसका कोई बोलता चाहिए, कोई नहीं, अभी सब कहेगा अब चाहिए, अभी क्या गांव जल गया, अभी कुछ नहीं।
तो गांव जल गया था, कब जला था? पिछले साल जल गया था। तो कितना मकान? कोई 150 मकान जल था।
150 मकान।
अच्छा, तो अभी नया मकान बन रहे हैं।
अभी कहाँ, बड़ा सा लगा इसको।
लेकिन कुछ एक मकान बन गया नया अभी।
कुछ।
तो आप क्या काम करते? भेड़ बकरी चाहते हैं?
तो जिम्मेदारी भेड़ बकरी तो क्या है, जिम्मेदारी
हाँ, जिम्मेदारी भी तो, बाकी भेड़ बकरी भी। तो अनाज क्या क्या होता है यहाँ पर?
तो अनाज यही होते हैं ना,
आलू हुआ, राजमा हुआ, मक्की हो गया, गेहूँ हो गया, ज़्यादातर कट्ठू उगाते हैं।
कट्ठू, गेहूँ, आलू।
जो असली जो यहाँ का खाना है वो कट्ठू है।
कट्ठू तो गेहूँ, तो ये गेहूँ आलू।
तो अब तो आपके ये पंचायत भी है ना, पहले नहीं पंचायत होती थी।
नहीं जो होता थे पहले ना, तो देवते कोई क्या नाम था?
देवते के क्या नाम?
ठोकरी, पंचायत को नहीं माना जाता है।
लेकिन अब पंचायत भी हो गया, वोट भी हो रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंज होता जा रहा है।
चेंज होते जा रहे हैं। अब सारे हो गया चेंज, क्या हो गया? अब चेंज होने से ही तो ये कांड हो गया।
हाँ ये बात भी सही है।
जब यहाँ पे चेंज हो गया तभी तो गाँव जल गया।
तो ठीक है मैं This is the center of the village, and this is really holy stone. Nobody touch this stone, even Malana people. These are the temple. First temple, second temple, and third temple. It was burned, and they are building new now.
While walking down to the lower half of Malana to meet the judge, we see how many houses were destroyed. We sit outside a newly reconstructed temple in the lower part of Malana. Chappu talks to the judge or Pujari about his duties and gives me his interpretation.
Okay, he is judge from 5 years now. Before there was his grandfather was judge. I told you before that there is one judge, 4 assistant judge and 4 policemen. So judge is chosen by the family. Judge is chosen for the life. But assistant judge and the 4 assistant judge and 4 policemen, if they want, they can change them anytime. They are chosen by the villagers. But 4 of assistant judge, they are from 2 from upper part and 2 from lower part. And 4 policemen called Pogardar, they are also 2 from upper part and 2 from lower part. But if the villagers, they don't like them anymore and they don't doing a good job and good work, so they can change them whenever they want. But judge, they cannot change, the Pujari. He is for life. So like that, before his grandfather was a Pujari, judge, but now his grandfather is dead. 2 years ago, his grandfather is dead. But 5 years ago, his grandfather, he said that he can't handle any more of duty of judge. So he requests to the villagers and to the family that they should change the judge. So he is from 5 years new judge. So we will ask him that, okay, what is his duty while he is a judge? Okay, the meeting ho ha. Tu ina ta sigla ta Pujari bhai ko san ta. Pujari bhai ko baki promise kardar hua. Ta tu sala manifest na ta un baat baki. So first thing, they has to be there whenever there is any problem and any assembly. So judge or Pujari or Kardar or Purmist, they are assembling there and Pogardar. And then after that, all the villagers, they are coming and then they discuss about the problems. And they decide that all things from the talking from the people, like who is honest, who is right and who is wrong. If they can solve that in upper court, they solve the problem in upper court, is okay, then is a final. If they can't decide there because the both people who got the problem, if they are not agree, then after that they have to decide again in another court, nearby 2 holy trees. So baki na bura na baat na. Bura jam ni jadak no. Bura da da bura baat ni ko. Na kala khala khala. So he is the really holy person of Malana. If he go outside from here, he can go like a 20 kilometer or 30 kilometer away from here. He can go by bus, but he cannot eat and drink in a chai shop, in the restaurant, and anywhere. He can go to the relatives, to the friends, in the family home where he can have the food, but not in the restaurant. And he's also wearing the local dress from Malana. You see, like a woolen jacket, woolen trouser, and this summer wear sandals called pula. Never wearing shoes from the plastic or from leather or whatever. And for the snow they wearing it called khoba, which is out of goat wool, and this is from the grass, from the hemp. Nobody know exactly the story of Malana, but nowadays even the 1 year before there was fire in the village, so all the old signs are gone. If we watch those old temples, old houses, and if we watch the wooden carving on that, then we can think maybe they are from Alexander's times people, because it has shown on the carving like elephant, camel and horses. So it may be said true that they are from the Alexander's times people. One platoon of army comes, one group of the army comes to Malana, behind Malana, and left behind here and settled over in Malana. It may be said true after watching the wooden carving, but nowadays there is no carving. All the carving is finished because of the fire in the village.
The carvings that Chappu referred to have been replaced by these carvings. The old carvings on the temple that burned down were the only hint that the Malanis were descendants of Alexander the Great. Their past will forever be obscure, and their village myths about their past can never be proved. As an outsider, I begin to wonder how the Malanis' tradition of isolation and separatism will affect the future generations of the Malanis. Change is coming to Malana rapidly, and with the new road it is uncertain how much longer Malana can carry on these traditions. This is the primary and middle school run by the Government of India. When children attend school, they are taught by a government employee who is not from Malana. At home, they are being taught traditions of separatism, while at school they are being taught that they are a part of India. They will surely be influenced by their government education that promotes secularism and integration. It now remains to be seen how the children of this village will adapt to the many changes taking place around them. I leave the village with this thought on my mind. I am sure that I will be back to find out more about this historically obscure village perched high in the Indian Himalayas.
क्या लेके आए?
कुल्फी आइसक्रीम
तो रखो नीचे। कैसा आइसक्रीम?
आइसक्रीम बढ़िया है,
बढ़िया वाला।
हाँ जी।
पहले पसीना पोंछ लेना।
बहुत गर्मी है। क्या दे, कुल्फी दे आइसक्रीम?
कुल्फी दे। दूसरा ना है 10 की जगह। कितने का है?